In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status in Jira, a fundamental aspect of Jira Basics. If you're new to Jira or just looking to brush up your skills, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Jira homepage. This is your starting point, the main hub where you can access all your projects and issues. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to find the projects option in the left-hand panel. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the projects you have access to. Select the project that you want to work with. Choosing the correct project is crucial as this is where you'll be making the changes. After selecting your project, you'll be directed to that project's overview page. What you want to do next is head over to the board view of your project. The board view is essentially a visual representation of your workflow, organized in columns that reflect different statuses. This setup allows you to see where each issue currently stands and helps in planning the next steps. Now, with the board view in sight, it's time to focus on the specific issues you want to update. Take a moment to identify these issues. These could be tasks, bugs, or any form of work item that requires a status change. Whether you're looking to move a task from in progress to done or any other status update, it's essential to select the right issues for the change. Here comes the interactive part. Once you've decided on the issues to update, it's time to drag and drop them. You'll need to click on the selected issues and simply drag them to the corresponding column that represents the new status you're aiming for. The beauty of the Jira board is in its simplicity. This drag and drop function is intuitive and designed to make status updating a seamless process. As you're doing this, remember that the status columns reflect the workflow you or your team have configured for the project. If you find that the column you need doesn't exist, it might be worth discussing workflow customization with your team or project admin. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the status of issues within Jira. This process can streamline your workflow management and ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page regarding progress and task completion. Thank you for joining me today and stay tuned for more helpful Jira tutorials.